So sorry it's raining, buddy. It's been raining all night. You're not gonna want to go outside, no. Your daddy gonna have to take a shower, and then we can play downstairs, okay? Yeah. Try to occupy your time a little bit before I go to work. Where'd Cinnabon go? Is the baby downstairs? Oh, I see him. But my shadow blocking you. Oh, there he is. Hello. He went outside for about 2 minutes, and then he's like, nope. He wanted to see it, I guess, for himself. And you got wet food and fresh water. Yes, you did. But all that stuff, yeah. It's going to be one of them, you stay inside. Do I need to show you again, buddy? Do you want to see? No, you know. Okay, let's go. Won't open the door now. The door is sealed now. It's sealed, okay? So why don't we go downstairs and play? Get some energy out. Yeah? Get some energy out before I go to work now. Yeah, I woke up early just to play with you. Come on, mister. Oh, there. Look how fast he is. My goodness. Oh. There we go. Look at this. Look, we're downstairs already. How'd we do that so fast? Oh, yeah. Open that door like a boo-boo. Whoa. You little angry. That's okay, buddy. I know you probably want to go outside, but I don't think you realize just how wet and rainy it is out there. Got lightning and all that stuff. There we go. We don't want that. Not for a kitty cat. No, we don't need to electrify you. No. That'd be kind of dangerous. Setting on fire, all that good stuff. Well, not good for you. No. And look, you don't have any birds on you right now. Well, your birds are gone because you've been inside all day, pretty much all morning. And you got a bathroom over there, a litter box. Do I need to show you where that is again, buddy? Or you know. Yeah, you know where it is. So you can use the bathroom over there if you have to. Yeah. Okay, buddy, we'll play. Ready? Ooh, look at this. Ooh, a little magic bat wand. Ooh. Look, buddy, he's doing a circle. You gonna stop it? You're gonna interrupt the circle? Oh, he's thinking about it. Whoa, I think he's got it. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. We haven't done morning playtime in a minute, huh? You're so focused on trying to go outside in the morning. Yeah. Oh, what a good little baby. Gotcha in the belly. Ooh. Whoa. I'll try to tire him out before I go, as I've said before. Yeah. So you can sleep while I'm gone at work, huh? And when I come home, you can play again or go on a woods walk or whatever. Or just chillax. Ooh. I probably want to go outside though after he's inside all day. Oh. Yikes. He definitely still has a lot of energy. I don't think he's old at all. He's at least 4 or so. 4 or 5, that's how long I've seen him. Yeah, that's how long you've been around, huh, buddy? Yeah. Ooh, It has been raining since as long as I remember. Last night it started to rain. Yeah, I can hear it coming down pretty good right now. Oh, who's gonna get it? And there's no place for a kitty cat. No, you don't like to water. Some cats do. Cinnabon, not a big fan. They'll still go out in the rain briefly. Don't you, buddy? You still like to go out there, check things out or whatever you want to do. I think he prefers to go to the bathroom outside too, just like his daddy. Yeah. Aw. What a good baby. Yeah. Mm. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Let's see if I'll get it. Uh-oh. Whoa, what's going on in your head, buddy? You don't seem to care too much. You trying to snap that off, buddy? You trying to snap it? Is that fun, buddy? Yeah, getting sick of it, though? Ooh, let's try to move it a little bit. Ooh. Oh, no, it slipped under you. What you gonna do? We're gonna get it. Ooh. Whoa, careful, Alex. Don't want to get your hands bit. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You look like a meerkat. Whoa. Oh. Oh, no. Look like your little bagpipes for a minute, buddy. Here. Oh. How about we play with that pink and blue ball over there? Oh, no, you want to play with that longer? Okay. I guess he does. That's okay. I know you don't like it, buddy, but I'm sure you'll be a lot happier inside, especially today, because of all the rain. Okay, I'm gonna get that ball. Get that ball. Hope you don't mind. Ooh, I got it in my hand, buddy. It's muffled. Ooh. Look. Oh. I don't think he cares about that right now. Oh, goofy kitty. Oh, he just wants that stick. This is probably one of his favorite toys. Oh, no. Oh, you want me to go under the rug? Is that what it is? Okie dokie. If you insist, buddy. Okay. He just wants to chill and watch like a stakeout. Oh, no. I think it's going to pop through the other side. Whoa. Oh, that kind of startled me a little bit. Oh, you could just rip up the whole rug. Where is it? I don't even know. Oh, you see it, buddy? Oh, it's right there. Let's see if it comes back out. Oh. You can barely see it. Oh, hold on, gonna get it. Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh no, it's gonna come back. Oh, it's coming back. Oh no, it's gone now. What you gonna do, buddy? It's gone. Uh-oh. It's running against your foot. No. Oh, whoop. Sounds like the garbage truck, man. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. You gonna put an end to this, buddy? You gonna put an end to that? Oh no, it's on your stripping pole. Certainly stripping it down, huh, buddy? Oh, the carpet on the edge? You definitely use it. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. It's the dark saber. Nope. No, are you done playing, buddy? You sick of playing for now? That's okay. You're probably just thinking about, oh, boys, do I really want to go outside? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Come here. Want to do a head bump? No? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, you can chill here if you want to. Yeah, you can chill wherever you want, mister. Yeah, okay. Well, thank you, everybody, for joining us this morning, or day, whatever time it is where you're at. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.